I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your personal information on Samsung Pay, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Samsung Pay. Launch the Samsung Pay app on your device. This is where you'll manage all your payment methods and personal settings. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines of the menu icon in the top left corner to access the settings. This will lead you to your account options. Step 3. Select account information. In the settings menu, look for account information and tap on it. This section contains all your personal details that you can edit. Step 4. Update your details. Choose the specific information you want to update, such as your name, email, or phone number. Make the necessary changes and ensure they are correct. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, make sure to tap the Save button at the bottom of the screen. If you forget this step, your changes won't be applied. Updating your personal information is quick and straightforward. If you run into any issues, double check that you're connected to the internet. Happy updating!